If you're not getting proper water flow to your pool, or the pressure gauge goes up 10 psi from startup, it is time to backwash the filter. For the backwash, first turn the pump off. Then, rotate the handle on top of the filter to the backwash setting. Now turn the pump back on. Look at the sight glass and watch it until you see the water become mostly clear. Then, shut the pump off, rotate the handle to the rinse position, and start the pump again. Run the pump for about 15 seconds. Then, shut pump off and turn dial back to filter mode. The maintenance of the filter is complete and the pool is ready for use.